Hi there again, folks. This is Trader FX 7:11. The time now is 1:45 p.m. on Friday, the 6th of March 2009. What we want to show you here is we took a trade here at 11 o'clock. We brought the euro at 125.45. We put a 20-point profit line here. We just noticed that in this hour here, we've had our price go through and meet our target. Okay, so we made it like 1.67%, something like that. All right, let's just go to our charts. Actually, let me date stamp this. Sorry, if I date stamp this time. All right. You notice that on that hourly bar there, if I go over to the left-hand side here on the 6th of March 2009, that's the 1300 or the 1 o'clock hourly bar. Alright, so that bar there is the hourly bar for 1 o'clock. It's going to finish in about 14 minutes at 2 o'clock. Okay, let me just go to the spreadsheet. And this was the 12th trade that we took in the series here. So 12 winners in a row thus far. Alright, we had a starting balance of 1,210. Now we've got a balance of 1,230, which is a 1.65% return on our account. If we just go to the trading station to verify that balance there, we go to the trade station here, 1230, there's our confirmation balance there. Alright, so if we just go back to the charts here. Alright, we made a profit of 1.65% on this trade. It took us about 2 hours 35 minutes, right? But it took about 10 minutes of setup time. Let's just go through that and see the reasons why we took the trade again. Okay, we did a buy on the euro here at the close of this bar at 125.41, because this was the close of this was 125.38, but because of the 3-point spread on the euro, we took the buy at 125.41. We stuck our limit up at 125.61 and we got that position there. Right, made our profit. Alright, we had a down bar here, right, on low volume. Alright, click that there, that volume there, the low volume on that down bar, that caused us to take a buy because we had low volume. In other words, the activity to the downside here was not supported by professionals. Right, it wasn't professional activity here. Right, I think we saw the late sellers come in here, and now they've just been taken, had their head handed to them. Right, on this next bar here, we had an up bar, right, in the next hour, but the volume was low. That was a worry, okay, because I thought that price might have dropped down, but it didn't. We had the next bar here, we had an increase in volume on an up bar, and now this current bar here has now met our target, right? Our profit target. Our stop was way out of range. It was down here, beneath here at 124.50, right? But our limit, profit limit, was within range, and that's important because that's how we make money. Okay, so basically back on this particular bar here, guys, we exploited the late loser. The late loser was the seller coming in. Okay, he's trying to follow the trend here to the downside, right? And I think he was late, and that's why we took the trade. Certainly volume told us that, because it was low volume on a down bar. Okay, so 10 minutes to set this trade up, right? Set and forget it. It took 2 hours and 35 minutes for it to finally make a trade. All right, but in a day so far, and only about in the space of 3 hours, we've made about just over 3% return on our funds. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, God willing, I will be back at 7 o'clock this time. If I'm not back at 7 p.m., I've got some other things to do, but if I'm not back at 7 p.m. To look at another trade, I will be back on Monday night at 7 p.m. Alright? Okay, guys, until then, we'll catch you later. See you on the other side, and take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.